Hey, Justy,
Hi,
where are you?
the Carlsbad shooting range.
All right, what you got there?
Got my new rifle, first shot.
What is it?
It's the new RPR, Ruger Precision Rifle.
What caliber?
6.5 Creedmore.
All right, let's rock and roll. How'd it feel?
It's actually not that bad.
Yeah, a lot of recoil or
Middle.
did it hurt?
No.
Feel good?
Yeah.
You want to fire again or you want to take it back?
Let's fire it again.
Is it a keeper?
It's a keeper.
Are you all zeroed in?
Yep.
How many rounds?
15 rounds.
You zeroed in 15 rounds. Great. Ready to play?
Yeah.
So how'd it go?
Awesome.
How'd you do?
Less than one MOA right out of the box.
Nice. How many yards?
100.
You happy? Need more practice?
Yeah.
Fun? Good job, buddy.